All right, welcome back to Zach's Food Channel. Thank you for watching. I know we've made a lot of good stuff. We've made pizza, we've made ribs. It's all been really fantastic. Today we're gonna make a steak and shake burger. Steak and shake steak burger. And if you go to their website, it'll tell you that they're using 3 different types of beef. Sirloin. I've already cut this up. I put it in the freezer. We're gonna grind it up in the food processor. We've got round, round, and T-bone. I've already cut this up. And yes, I did say T-bone. There's the bone I cut the meat off of. And I know what you're thinking, Zach, why are you using T-bone? Well, that's what Steak and Shake uses, so that's what we're gonna use. The things you gotta do for a YouTube video, right? All right, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna start this up. I'm gonna grind this up in batches. That way we don't overload the food processor. I think I'm gonna stop there. I don't want to tear up my food processor anymore. It looks like we're gonna have enough meat, but I think we're gonna quit there while we're ahead. We're gonna start out, we're gonna make 2 3-ounce patties, because I'm not sure how big the patties are at Steak and Shake. Next time you see me, we're gonna be out on the Blackstone. We're gonna cook these up. Basically a Steak and Shake steak burger is a Smashburger. And we're gonna do that outside on the Blackstone. Look at that, looks beautiful. All right, I know what you're thinking. Put the cheese on now and put one of them domes on, but I don't really care for it like that. I like the cheese to be a little less melted on the burger. That's just my personal taste. You do it how you want to do it. I think these buns are done. I think they're finished. It does not take long to make a smash burger. Okay, now we're gonna go back inside and we're gonna build. All right, let's build. All right, we got the 2 burgers here, the 2 patties with 2 pieces of cheese. All right, let's build. We got the 2 patties, 2 steak burgers, cheese, and we're gonna put a little ketchup on there. A little mustard. 2 thinly sliced pickles. If you go to SteaknShake, if you order it with pickle, this is the type of pickle they use. And a little bit of onion. I don't want a lot of onion. SteaknShake steak burger. Awesome. All right, let's try this thing. SteaknShake steak burger. Too big of a bite. Ooh, yeah, that was delicious. Wow. I can't believe how good that is. Remember, T-bone, round, and sirloin. That's what SteaknShake used, so that's what I used. All right, there you have it. A SteaknShake steak burger. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like. And leave a comment. And thank you for watching. Bye.